Welcome. This is Highlife Guitar TV. This channel is purposely for teaching both lead guitar, highlife guitar, lead, bass, and then so on. Whenever we go for a program, the coverage we will let you be aware. Now, my bass man started with the chromatic skill, and then he showed you okay. This time I am going to continue with C major skill. I'm going to show you how you can play your C major skill with a proper fingering. Yeah, most of the times, some people sometimes play the bass guitar without considering the proper fingering, and because you are trying to learn from us, I want you to learn the best and then the proper finger techniques. Now, you can see that this is an acoustic guitar, so I'm going to take out this the first. I'm going to take out these two strings, then we will concentrate on the G, the D, the A, and then the E. That's what we are going to concentrate on using to play our C major skill. Now, as a basis, you must know the fundamentals of a major skill. When you talk of a C major skill includes C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Then you get the 8th note as C. Good. You must get all these fundamentals in order to play your bass guitar. Good. So without wasting your time, if you have not subscribed to this channel, click on the subscribe button and check the notification. This is a new channel. We need your help to grow the channel so that we can also be motivated to make more videos for you. So as I said earlier on, we have C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and then we will get C as a C major scale on the bass guitar. So take this into consideration. Whenever you are playing a major scale, remember that mi and then fa is close. There is no space between the mi and then the fa. For example, if you are playing C major, there is no interval between B and then C. Also, E and F, there is no interval between them. Take note of this. Mi, fa, there is no interval. Ti, do, there is no interval. So take note. Whilst we are playing the C, look at this. Spread your fingers like this. We are playing C major. Let your first finger take the second fret. Your second finger takes the third fret. Your third finger takes the fourth fret. And your fourth finger takes the fifth fret. Alright. Now, with C major, we can get our C on the third fret of the A string. We have C. Then you play like this. Good. Fourth finger plays the D on the same string at the fifth fret. Because we are doing proper fingering, we will get our E on the second fret of the D string. Good. I said earlier on that E and then F are very close, so our second finger plays the F. Then our fourth finger plays the G here at the fifth fret on the D string. Good. Then our first finger plays the A on the second fret of the G string. Then your third finger plays B on the fourth fret of the G string. Then your fourth finger finish it with the C on the fifth fret on the G string. So we have something like this: C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Good. Now we are going to do an activity. We are going to do an activity with a metronome. Okay, at every 4 beats we play one note. So stay tuned. We are beginning at 75 beats per minute. So at every 4 beats we play one note. So it's like this: 1, 2, 3, go. 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 Okay, let us repeat it. Let's repeat the action. 1, 2, 3, go. Good. Now we are going to play backwards from the 8th note to the 1st note. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's do it again. I will advise that you take your time with a metronome, you play and practice this. So at every 4 counts, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. You take your time, you practice this, work on the accuracy, not the speed. When you work this out for, let's say, 20 minutes every day with this, about a week time, you will see that you become fluent, so that you can able to play it like this. 1, 2, 3, go. Good. Okay, now look at my right, how I am doing the picking at the right. Okay, I'm using my first finger to do the picking like this. Okay, so let's 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. So in no time you may be able to, you must be able to develop your accuracy and then your speed. It takes time to do this, so take them bit by bit. Take them bit by bit. Okay, spend about 15 minutes every day doing this. In about a week time, you will see an improvement in your bass guitar playing. On this note, I end here with today's lesson. We will meet next time for another lesson. If you have not subscribed, hit on the subscribe button and then click on the notification. This is Highlife Guitar TV. We teach bass guitar, lead guitar, even keyboard lessons will be uploaded here. So leave a comment at the comment section and then share the videos and then give a thumbs up. We will meet next time for another lesson. Thank you.